In this video, I will introduce you to market research reports from Mintel to aid researching your user group. Market research reports contain industry information, demographic data, and an analysis of a market. Mintel gathers company, industry, and economic data, surveys consumers, and completes analysis in order to provide information on consumer trends, demographics, and brands. Mintel publishes reports about categories of products and services, so you can browse or search for the kind of product you are researching. Mintel also publishes demographic reports, providing insights on the attitudes, priorities, lifestyles, perspectives, and more for different demographic groups. You can do a keyword search in Mintel, but I'm going to start by browsing some of the filters. For example, if you are focusing on a user group of college students who currently largely fall into Generation Z, you could look at the demographics filter and then click the box next to Gen Z. Now we have a list of results that tell us about the consumer interests and behaviors of members of Gen Z. Let's look at the marketing to Gen Z in the US result, which was published in 2024. In the executive summary of this report, you'll see what is covered, including attitudes, priorities, lifestyles, and perspectives of Gen Z. As you scroll through the report, you'll see the market dynamics, consumer insights, and more, including a lot of data. If you hover your mouse to the left, you'll see the outline of this report, as well as a link to see the consumer data marketing to Gen Z next to the graph icon. Clicking on this will bring you to the interactive data book with the results of the survey questions researchers asked study participants. This allows you to gain even more insights beyond the report by looking at the raw data. Browsing via the category filter allows you to review market research reports for various kinds of products and services. There's not a category for everything, so you might need to think broadly about a category that could be relevant to your topic. First, I'm going to clear the Gen Z filter by clicking this X. If you are researching students with a certain hobby, you might look at the category Travel, Leisure, and Entertainment. Let's select gaming as an example. Similarly to the demographic reports, these reports include a summary or overview section, followed by market dynamics, consumer insights, and more. You can also see the interactive data book for this report. Finally, you can browse by region, though you should note that the regions are at the country level, not at the level of city or state. You can also browse by trend driver, which includes things like experiences, identity, values, and well-being.